morning, everybody. It's Jessica Stortz with Stortz Wellness, and we're here to make a peanut butter cup smoothie. If you haven't heard, we're going to be doing an online smoothie workshop, so look for the link below if you want to sign up to get more information on how to participate. Once you sign up and buy your canister of shake, we're going to send you the grocery list and the recipes all in one place, as well as a step-by-step video tutorial of how to make 14 smoothies to put in your freezer. You're actually going to assemble the ingredients and then you'll take them out, put them into your blender, add milk and blend. So great for a quick, easy, on-the-go meal or snack. I tend to make mine for breakfast. But this morning, we're going to make a peanut butter cup smoothie for my kiddos. They really like this one, but this is part of our smoothie workshop online. So for them, I'm going to use regular milk, and I happen to have some whole milk online, or whole milk, not online. I have some whole milk, so I'm going to use up that whole milk. We usually use skim, but I had bought some whole on accident. So we're going to top that off at about 12 ounces. We're going to put a teaspoon of cocoa powder in to just give it a more chocolatey flavor. And then I like to do powdered peanut butter. You can do regular peanut butter. We prefer the powdered peanut butter just because otherwise the powdered peanut or the regular peanut butter can sometimes stick. You can freeze regular peanut butter, but it sometimes gets stuck in the baggie. Then we're going to do 2 scoops of protein, which is going to give us 20 grams of protein. It's low glycemic, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, etc. Now, what is not on our recipe is a banana. You would normally just shake this up or mix it up, but we're going to add a banana to add a little bit of fruit to our peanut butter cup smoothie and make it just a little bit creamier. So we're going to pop that on and we're going to blend. So that's our peanut butter cup smoothie. So simple to make. I wanted to keep these recipes simple and easy so that you guys could throw them together quickly. Again, this is Jessica Stortz with Stortz Wellness, empowering you to maximize your time, health, and finances so that you guys can live more intentionally in the moments of life. If you like this video, please subscribe so you get notifications for all of our videos. You guys have an awesome day.